Hey there, I'm Eric Tennant, and this is another episode of Shoppable Madness. What I got here is the Basemo automatic disconnecting device. This is a USB-C to USB-C automatic disconnecting switch. Let's go ahead and open up the box here. All right, so inside the box we have good old instruction manual. It starts in Mandarin. Oh, there's our US English. Okay, and now we have the actual switch itself here. Sweet. Okay. So what this switch does is it's supposed to extend your battery life by not allowing it to sit there and constantly holding it at 100%. That it actually isn't any good for a lithium battery, so you actually want them to fall back down to around 50% is their best idle state there. So this device makes a physical disconnection of the phone. It's not a software disconnection. It actually, these prongs come out and kicks it off the charger. Sweet, let's go ahead and try this out real quick. Okay, for this test, I'm gonna be using an Anker 100 watt fast charger there. Let's go ahead and plug in the little auto disconnect device. So I got my phone, it is sitting at 98%, perfect for this test. Let's go ahead and plug it in. All right, so the phone is charging. It says 5 minutes until full. That's cool. And you can also plug it directly into your phone. Just like that. Just make sure your phone's not going to get like kicked off the edge, if anything. Nice. That's definitely a cool little auto disconnect switch there. It's definitely cool seeing it kick itself out of the plug-in or kick the phone off of it. So you can find a link for this down in the description below. Additionally, for anybody watching on TV, I have a QR code over here. You'll be able to scan that with your camera and that'll take you over to the Amazon page where you can purchase it. And until next time, this has been another episode of Shoppable Madness. And yes, I am still Eric Tennant. And I will have to bid you adieu. Good day.